Hello everyone, ThePandaPhotographer. So I decided that I was bored and wanted to figure out why was I having those spots in my camera when I was doing the HDR Lightroom process video, which I was doing today, and I decided to clean my sensor, but this has got to be the worst, dirtiest sensor I ever cleaned. Look at the tips. Just look at it. Look how dirty that is. This has got to be the world's most dirtiest sensor. Because look at the tips. This is pretty damn disgusting. Look how much dust and dirt came off the sensor. You can see it, look. See? It's mostly on this side, one side. When I did one side. So I had to use 3 of these. 2 of them to clean, 1 to dry. And you can see that these 2 tips here are very dirty, and you can see that this one is very clean now. A little dirt right there. But maybe because I just put it on the table. But look at that dirty sensor. And I wonder, now I understand why it freaking died. The camera. That is. Oh man. I normally clean my sensor every freaking 6 months, but I didn't know it was getting that dirty. That dirty. Look at that. So dirty. So, with that said, I got the world's dirtiest camera sensor by far. And this is proof. Talk to you guys soon.